Yo guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Kaduna Pikin. Today I'll be doing a quick review on a new investment which it's called Supersage. It's a smart contract investment but on a Tron network. Now it involves you buying TRX tokens and then you now invest it in the smart contract. And just like forsage that was on Ethereum network, this one now is Supersage on the Tron network. But before we dive into it, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified each time I drop a video. So let's dive straight into it. Now, first of all you need to do is you need to download Tron wallet into your mobile phone or into your desktop computer, whichever one you're using. All you need to do is search for Tron wallet. This is exactly the Tron wallet you need. Install this Tron wallet into your system or into your mobile phone. Once you're done installing it, go to where the wallet is, open your wallet, and you should probably have Bitcoin that you're going to use to exchange for the token. Now this is what you need to do. This is my Tron wallet. What you need to do is either you're using cash to buy it or you phone your wallet with a Bitcoin and then you exchange it for TRX tokens. Another option is you can phone your Binance account, which is a trading website. You phone your Binance account with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, any of the cryptocurrency you wish, and then you now exchange your Bitcoin or your Ethereum for TRX token, and then you send it down to this your Tron wallet. All you need to do to get your wallet address, click on receive. This is the wallet address that you're sending it. Just click on this copy. You copy your wallet address, paste it on the Binance website, and then you transfer your TRX back to your Tron wallet. And after doing that, you get the link of the person who refers you to this smart contract project, and which will be your upline. All you need to do is get the link of the person that referred you, then look down below the bottom left hand side of this Tron wallet. There's a browser there. This is the browser. Click on this browser, enter the link of the person who referred you to this smart contract project. I'll be leaving my link on the description of this video so that you can easily copy the link and then use it there. Now you paste the link and then it takes you to the Supersage website. When it takes you there, all you need to do is for new registration, the next page you see is for you to click register. When you hit on register, it gives you an information displaying the ID of the person that refers you, the person whose link you just used, and which will be your upline. So if the ID tallies with what you're having, you click on OK to confirm it, and boom, you're done. Confirm it, authorize it to deduct the TRX token from your wallet, and then you are in. But since I'm already registered, I'll just click on this authorize, and it takes me into the Supersage dashboard. And this is all you need to see. This is everything you need to see. You can see so far, I just joined this yesterday, and so far this is what I've been earning. You can see I've earned 1,250 TRX on my S3 and S4. Now let me explain something on this S3. The S3 is for those of us who have the intention to refer others to this investment opportunity, while the S4 is for those who don't have any plans to refer anybody. All you need to do, you depend on the network, and then you get overflow from your upline or your downline into your wallet, and that is what you need to do. So first, you need minimum balance of 500 TRX to join this smart contract, and then which will help you activate level 1 on the S3 network. As you can see, I've also activated level 2 on the S3 network, but if you are not into referrals, you don't need level 2 in the S3. All you need to do is use your 500 TRX, activate the level 1 on the S3, and then quickly go to S4 and then try to activate level 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6 if it's possible. That way you get overflows from the people above you, the people above your upline. You keep getting spillovers from the network. This is basically all you need to do to earn TRX in this project. You can earn up to 1 million TRX. There is no limit to the number of TRX you can get. So if this video was helpful, guys, click on the like button. Please comment on this video. Let me know where you have confusion and then where you need more clarification, and I'll surely clarify you on that. Thank you. See you next time.